typhoon. We might not be able to see it, but we'll see it in a minute.
The typhoon, obviously the cutting edge of
There
technology deployed there.
He's arriving.
F-35, Blackpool deployed there. 4.5 generation fighter, powered by 2 EJ200 engines.
Yes!
That's producing about 52,000 pounds of thrust.
Jesus
That is
Christ.
a lot of thrust.
Nah, it's not for a Eurofighter typhoon.
Now watch
Honestly,
as the
not
aircraft
for a typhoon.
positions come straight back in.
Not kidding.
Nathan and Dresser will pull back on the stick and the aircraft is going to go into a loop before breaking away for a double
Here he is,
corkscrew.
guys!
Pitching up, you see that canard wing.
Oh, down, he's low. He's very
Another
low.
corkscrew.
He's literally scaring all those birds.
Perfect weather
No,
for a
no
flying
birds,
day.
you're gonna die. But it's scared if you hit me, you die.
Now he's going to reposition the aircraft
Faster than
right
the
down
speed
the
of
cloud
sound.
line. Nathan's going to hold the aircraft in what we call knife edge. Great photo opportunity here before rolling the aircraft upside down inverted.
Yes, boys, he's coming back.
Get your cameras ready.
Camera's not ready.
Nathan
Clearly
pitches
not
up,
ready.
rolls
He's
into knife
coming
edge.
in. Here he
And then
comes.
into
Goes
inverted.
upside down. Jesus Christ, it's 18 cents, I can't see it. I'm gonna see his line, where he's been. There's gonna be stuff like the RAF Red Arrow, whatever it is. Red Arrows are gonna be here today, and stuff like that, so you'll see me record those. That's lovely. Where is he, where is he, where is he? Whoa, that's right. Imagine standing in there and
700 miles an hour.
Rip. Like literally, that'll be so loud. That's not fast. This is when us it came across there, honestly.
When he's breaking away there, again he's back on about 9 Gs.
He's
Luckily,
on 9
seats
Gs.
in these
Jesus.
aircraft are not straight up, they're not like a normal
9 Gs.
flying back at about 20 degrees, and that helps him.
What's he doing? He's climbing, he's going up. He looks like the
Now, get ready
Concorde
for
from
the
this
slow
distance.
speed.
But he's not.
Nathan heading towards us, pitching high alpha. If you've got binoculars,
High
you can
alpha.
see those flaperons at the front moving, and also canards moving. Now it's minimum speed, and then watch as he powers the aircraft up, goes into full reheat. That 52,000 pounds of thrust is pushing this
52,000
aircraft.
pounds thrust.